Good morning, Rangers. Welcome to this Friday morning during corral time, your most favorite part of the week. We are going to talk a little bit today about coordinate planes. Before that, make sure you have your math composition notebook. Nice job, Miss Fluth. If you'll notice, I accidentally put notebook with the coordinate plane. This should go right up here. Yes, all about making mistakes and owning it. Okay, so your math composition notebook you need a coordinate plane, which your Pro Time / Corral teacher has for you, and you'll need 2 pieces of tape to expedite the process. What we're going to start by doing is on your
We have messages in the office for Jesse Weber, Corbin Blaze, Andrew Colo.
All right, sorry, we had some announcements. What I need you to do is tape your coordinate graph into your composition notebook, because this is what we will be dealing with today. Now we are just going to do a quick reminder of what each part is and what values they stand for. So remember, this is the x-axis going left to right, so we're going to label that the x-axis. Pardon my writing. So going left to right. And then we have our y-axis going up and down. Now we know that our coordinates on our graph are given to us in ordered pairs. So it's always in the value x and then y inside of a set of parentheses. We just want to review where the x and y go. Remember that if you're looking at your coordinate graph, this part right here in the center is 0. That's where x is 0, that's where y is 0. If we are going to the right of x, or right of 0 on our x-axis, that is where all of our positive x values will be. So when you see a coordinate pair, this will be positive. Okay? If you don't see any sign, remember that just means it's a regular positive number. If you are down here, let's see, we still have our positive x value because we are on the right side of x. Now, over in these 2 areas, or quadrants, we have negative x values because we are going to the left of 0. So your x here will be negative, your x here will be negative. Now, as we are looking at our y coordinate, remember y goes vertically up and down, we are still at 0 in the center, but if we have a positive y value, that means we are going above 0. So over here, this would be a positive y value. And over here, this would also be a positive y value. If we go below 0, we would have negative y value and a negative y value here. So if I give you an ordered pair based on where the positive and negative x and y values are, that is where you will graph that ordered pair. For example, if I give you negative 5, 3. Negative 5, 3. Let's look at our values and what stands for what. So if we start with the negative 5, that is the x value in an ordered pair, and it's negative. So we know we're going to be to the left of 0. So it looks like we're dealing with these 2 quadrants. Negative 5 we know would be over negative 5. So 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So I know that's where I'm going to start at. We have a positive 3, which means it's above 0. So we would be finding positive 1, 2, 3. We're going to find where those 2 points meet. So negative 5, positive 3, so 1, 2, 3, and it looks like we are right here for our point. Now we're going to use this idea to start coordinate graphing today. If you have questions, please look back to your notes, but also feel free to help your other teammates out.